I-podcast yomhlaba ebukelwa ngedatha kambe bantu ngiyakwazi ukuthi lokho elilunguza lekhangela lisixolele sibili besithe senzele ukuthiwa ukuthatha i-break sithi ukuphumula kancane ngoba hey ukukhuluma izintweni lezibulo ukukhuluma uqeda ufake lesikhiwa lakho kuye ngathi kuyakhathalisa kodwa sisasekhona mina lami ibizo lisalikhumbula nguJoyful Mphuma phansi lapha eMangwaneni abafowethu bakhona namba lapha welcome back angihambi ngedwa ikhona iCampro Studios bathi bona bakuphathela amakhamera ukuthi nxa ngabe lomcimbi ufuna ukuthi ungathi uthwebela izinto zakho kahle yibo abahamba phambili angihambi ngedwa namhlanje ngihamba with another podcaster. This guy is working art. You'll get to understand why I'm saying that. Namhlanje ngifuna sibe mazi ngoba lapha phandle lana kwaziwa kuthiwa ngu-DJ Jebs. Is it Jebs or Jabs? DJ Jebs.
Jebs.
DJ Jebs.
Jebs or amajeb wesibhali.
Oh ngamajeb.
It's a jeb.
Aha, mfowethu kunjani?
Ngikrendo shaba.
Ngiyaphila mina.
Yeah.
Sesidiskhathi sikhuluma about coming here and sitting here.
Yeah.
I think at the inception of the podcast vele.
Yes, it's been more than a year.
Yes.
Yeah.
We spoke a lot about what you wanted to share. But ukumnandi ukuthi since then you have done a lot again.
Yes.
There have been movements and stuff. But
Yeah.
okay, we'll see that later. Jebs, where is it coming from, Jebs? Is it ngunjabulo, ngujabu?
Okay, mina ngazalwa nguBramwell Jabulani Ndlovu.
Aha.
Elokuthi Jabulani lingekho esithupheni but kuyilo lisebenza kakhulu ekhaya. I'm sure they not anticipated ukuthi liza sebenza that much. Umdala wathi ngifuna abe nguBramwell. Then ukhulu ozala umama wathi ngifuna abe nguJabulani.
Aha.
But nje wazi mama esethethwe kubuso kwangaphi. But
Ngoba
kodwa leli manje la khona ngale kobaba kwagcina sokuyilo elinjani.
elihamba phambili.
Elihamba phambili. So most people ngathi Bramwell, they don't know Bramwell.
Hayi vele lamnqonga ngathi njalo ndimbani nalo.
Because even ngikhulu esikolo lami ebhukwini ngambhala uthi Jabu.
Serious.
Ngambhala Jabulani Bindlovu. Mbhaleli ngekho esithupheni. Mina abantu baze baba surprised sesibhala ama exams ku form 4. Uthi kali
Bramwell.
Osebizwa mbani. I was a boarder at Gifford.
Yeah.
So people knew me as abanye babesithi JB as uJabu, but most would say JB. So I was to osebizwa lo mbani because thina simazi. Yabo. Lami nganthathelo lanele kakhulu ngavele lali ngangilifila yabona iAfrican name. Yeah.
Wow. So uzalelwa ngapi akhulela ngapi?
Okay, mina ngithe ngizalwa ama parents ama behlala eFelabusi.
Okay.
So my parents used to move around a lot umsebenzi ababewenza.
Okay.
Yeah. So babe ngama pastors. Bebehlala eFelabusi but ngazalelwa eMpilo Hospital.
Okay.
That is 1988. Hey, semvuba li 2K.
Ngisho ngathi hey.
1988, 22nd of May.
All right.
Gemini. So that's when I'm born.
Okay.
Yes, that's how.
You're a pastor's kid?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you proud?
Hey, izono zami ziningi. Ezamaya.
Oh, pastor's kid abezwa.
Yeah, hayi inhlalo vele. Umuntu kazizali.
Anjo.
Hayi.
So yazi ukuthi ku interesting vela manje because ngingazi. So nxa ukhula ezujabulani uBramwell, are you also participating in most like the religious activities uyahamba la besontweni?
Ngangihamba esontweni. Esontweni ngihamba. That's where the music thing started from.
That's what I wanted to. That's where I wanted to go.
Funny thing, I was born without a voice. Like totally ngangisimumu ngizalo.
Say that again.
I was born without a voice. Like totally, absolutely.
Until what age?
Until I was about 1 year, 8 months, somewhere there. As Master Skreta Lanza was see audio kama already confirming that. Yeah, I was around 1 year, 8 months.
Yeah.
That's when I started having a voice. But like so most people I went to primary school with. Even now mabe hlangana lambaba surprised.
Yeah.
Because ngangi umuntu lanothi ngangize ngihlaliswe phambili esikolo so that the teacher can hear me. Abanye babehle bethi ndoda khombisa kathesi. Because wena usiyawuba mdala yabuza ungaselana abanye phela becanti ilokhu iphela akwazi khona
Whoa.
So because of that, growing up, I had a passion for singing. But because I couldn't, I found myself on the side of the technical things. Experimenting ngama-keyboards since abazali babe abafundisi into ezinjalo njalo
Do you
yabo.
want to mention the church ekade be-pastor?
Zayoja.
Isayoja.
Yes.
Isayoja is a breakaway from the Assemblies of God. That's where we
but
grew up.
but mina ngizalwa babe at another church. Izayoja bayingene sengi around isisikhathi esengiqasa khona ukuplaya laba ama-instruments. I think I was about 5-6 there. Wow. So I've lived around the whole of Zim. That's why I'm multilingual as well.
Aha,
Yeah,
I've noticed that. So you start experimenting with izinto music esontweni. What are you playing? What instrument are you dabbling on?
Okay, man ngiqalisa ngiqasa ama-keyboards. That's where I started.
Yeah.
Then because I think 7-8 years old.
Yeah. Uchayitende.
Ngama-keyboards. Sasilichayitende but uyabona ukuthi ngalesana sikhathi kwaku different because sasemazowe. Sasichayitende kwenye indawo yayinzima kakhulu yayilezigure emazowe estate kwamba nosuka khona uthiwa imazowe.
Yeah.
Kwakule culture abantu laba abalezigure lani. So sasichaya amanye ama-crusade anzima and with a lot of challenge. You know? Because
Oh, so now you now have to play a sound that these people can resonate with. So this forces
yes,
you
abantu
to,
laba yes, so that you are attractive to them as much as ini is gurelezi yeah. But at the same time a church play sasiyenza was totally different because mina ngiqalisa ukuplay church oya uplay sometimes you one man. So you have to balance bass, you split it. Bakwazi abaplayer
yeah, I've seen that.
bass ngapha uchayilo kuzeni ngapha. Ngapha idrum liyahamba nje lika. Ngapha idrum liyahamba nje lika Shongwe. Yes. Ziyakhala baba. Osisi bakho kocha ngapha. Abaphe ziyakhala.
I know I
want to be like that.
Ngizalelwe ngakhulele Assemblies of God.
Yeah.
Appreciate the upbringing, Assemblies of God, brethren. I always say that because these churches were next to each other in our village.
Yeah.
So yibo abantu engathi basikhulisile besihambelana ama-crusade wona lawo. So nxa usukhuluma so you're taking me back. Ama-crusades.
Yes.
Yeah, kubuye nxa ngabe umfundisi ovela kubulawayo.
Kuyafiwa.
Service yangikhona ayiphumi.
Yes, ndoda. Uyichaya ikeyboard uze kuphuma amademoni.
Yeah.
Ayikona la abasebakhuluma these days othi awurongiwe.
Yeah.
Demon liphume lapha ya. Wow. Abantu kube le deliverance.
Kudos to your parents, man, because I think then they exposed you to
a lot of things.
Your calling.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've played also for quite a number of artists before they were. Because we stayed also at Amfike College eZayoja. Masente Kuliani, I would play there. We had the likes of Abo Ivy Combo, Letwin Lake.
Wow.
Before she was famous.
Yeah.
We had Washingisa Suluma. Before she was Mrs. Suluma. Mr. Suluma was one of the people who was teaching me keyboard.
Oh.
Before he was married to her. Wow. We had the likes of Opiki Tembo, Wepundu Boys.
Yes.
That's the first person who ambambisi guitar impilo nami. Ngachaywa lelo langa. Masalo. So indawo yankona yakho ngathi ama-townhouses. So they were next to us. Umasalo wathi edlula wambona nhlezi emzini. Mbamba ikata.
Wenzani emzini wena? Udlala ngezinto
ngathi ngifika ngikhaya ngaba kwazi ukuthi kushubile.
Yeah. Aratwa over.
Anjalo ngetennis lila uthiwa kuyini? Uthiwa uTommy.
Osebele. Lalimnyama mbe lalimhlobe.
So umdala waza uyazonilamulela yabo. Uthe lamula kufika lo Tembo kanjani? Wathi hayi abantwana iskill yabona into othi uyayifundisa umntwana. Umntwana mayile passion into lenge kuyikhipha kuyi. Umntwana yena uplays keys. Noma nje engakabi ku professional standard but he's good. He has a passion for music. So let me teach him. Umuntu wamfundisa ukubamba i-guitar. But kwangehlula ukuthi play acoustic. Wanjela futhi wathi indlela obamba ngayo. You are a bassman. Umele ufunde i-bass guitar. By then there was a guy wawuthiwa uNkamthepha wayeke waplaya labo kuthiwa ngobani Paul Mataviri.
Yeah.
He was a blind guy, he was playing i-bass. So he also started wakhuluma la waqalisa ukuthi abembambisa ama-notes here and there. At that time futhi e-Amfik with the likes of Pastor Haisa. We had David Mavuramiti. Ayibona leyo nto. So most of these stars abazwa ngabantu mina ngibazi before.
before they became what they
Yes,
what they
the only
are.
person who was already like out there was Pastor Isa, but by then like in terms of recording and stuff, wayengaka
Kwangela labo social media, so you
Yes.
only hear them on radio or see them on TV.
Exactly.
So people were not as exposed to them. Wow. So role my parents, I think right now the modern parent who understands or onga understandiyo, please understand. Umntwana ngambona edlala ngeguitar, edlala ibhora. Miyeke.
yeah,
Stop.
yeah,
All you can do is support them.
and make sure ukuthi he manages ukuthi monetize that thing. Because some of us we had talent, but we didn't have people back then to mentor us ukuthi
guide.
uhambe kikho professional akuguide ugcina ukumonetize at an early stage like Americans and
Yeah.
Europeans do. Yabo.
Which is why ungathi siya kuma idols laphana or America's Got Talent and whatnot. Umntwana afika acule. Then when they play video, lana thola kule video umntwana at 4 years. Azothi my parents bought me my first guitar when I was 4. Then I started playing in church and whatnot. And you can actually see ukuthi this has been long time coming.
Yes.
And I think indlela obeka ngayo istory sakho kungenza ngiunderstand why usenelisa ukuba ukufita into different genres the way you have
Yes.
been doing.
Yes.
So would you say the church played a big role?
A very big role. A very big one. So ngabe kuyisiphiwe ngazalwa laso
Yeah,
nje.
but
But
the
sasishapenwa ngapi?
A church.
I-practice in ground yami kwakungapi? Kwakuyi-church. Because even when I was now at high school at Gifford, before Gifford, primary school, ivoice yami like I said uthi ayilokhu ibuya kancane kancane. Ngithe sengibo grade 6, grade 7, I was able to sing. But before that in grade 5, yayiphuma but yayingakabi
Ingekho
such
as-
that there was a gentleman othiwa Mr. Ncube, MT Ncube, Umon Ncube. He's the one who taught me grade 6 and 7. By the way, mina grade 6 and 7 bese sisukile Harare ama parents are divorced bese ngihlala ekhaya ekhesi. Yikungizwe ngithi I have all the backgrounds you can think of.
You have been all over.
Kasi khaya, Harare, Bulawayo, Jozi.
Pindura,
Yonke indawo.
Kazowe.
Pindura sahlala Mazowe, sahlala Mount Darwin sahlala. Kama TV Pinga, Cholocho. Ngiyafunda emvundlane eCholocho.
Wow.
You understand?
Wow.
So uNcube I would be the first one to come ku choir practice but ivoice ayingavumi. He would let me. Ma abantu bangahamba imensala nilungisana thatha ama bench. Abantu azingathwacha isani. Sibefuna ukubaleka. So sayenza ideal wathi imo right when I voice ayifuni. So wena lapha echoir you will mimic.
Wow. Mr. Ncube,
So washona.
elawolele khona. Siyabonga.
You will mimic. Because i-passion wayeyibona ukuthini because
Ikhona.
why esenza ama auditions anjelo wathi hayi wena qualify but still I would show up. You know. So ngithe sengu grade 6 at least
Yeah.
kwasokungcono so babe nihlabelisa sometimes u10 or 2 depending on the set piece yabibuyile uyabona.
Yes.
Yes, grade 7. So ngu grade 6 khona lapho I formed an Imbube group with my class. We would compose our own songs. So Imbube akulanto judge umuntu.
Hayi.
Ivoice yami nalana
Right. Khona la ifika
yime
khona.
ngangilida the song.
That's it.
Usosizwe izidara sithi hlabela njengoyuma sekela mfana. Labulala mfana.
Yeah.
Hlabela nje abona nakhayodo dinga untuna nakhayodo impala.
Awumazi at the time.
Awumazi.
Yeah.
You remind us of istimela. You know? Isidara lezi uyabona. Isidara zasezingithanda ngaba li celebrity. Grade 7 kona west.
Yes.
You understand?
Ukusiphi isikole at the time?
Semhlonhlweni primary school. Duze labo kaFusi ngalubhango area.
Dala uhamba, eh?
Dala ngihamba mdala. Ngisuka lapho form 1 that's when I come back to the city because umama now wayesesebenza kitchen emayadini ante ekhaya kuthiwa kusemayadini lapha kuthiwa kusemakitchen
Emayadini.
emayadini esebenzela doctor family so I passed with flying colors. By then I had 5 units
Yeah.
so kwakuyi record.
Yeah, hayi phela. Hayi.
So even I managed to qualify for ama A schools. I came to Bulawayo ngaswela indawo ezinye isikolo ngeHamilton.
Okay.
Ngafunda khona a little bit then ngasen transfer nsiya
eGifford.
Gifford, yes.
So do you do music at high school or kukhona anything that you do that's got to do?
Right, when I get to high school, I was also previously in say primary as imzimbi yabisavuma I was a sportsman. umuntu onyagijima nyadlala ibhora, you know.
Yeah.
But it wasn't really othi kuthiwa kuyamangalisa kakhulu. But when I got to Hamilton, I dropped all that ngadlala nyani rugby. Ngagijigijima yende but kwakungasekho much ku-interest into ayilokhisele kwakuyi-music.
Yeah.
I remember I did typewriter at home. I had a friend who was Terence Lomnye who was Farai. I would write songs. Labo mama babesebenza emayadini. So masingaphuma esikolo masela ama homework, we meet up, we practice. Ngabuya sengizithyphile ama lyrics lawa. I didn't understand ukuthi I'm a composer. Because mina ungakhayilista most of the things I would play even kuyimbube kuyini were coming from me. Kwangasonto ukuthi kuthiwa ngeke ngazizwa.
Tete somewhere. Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
So now, silabo Terence lapaya. Then I shift from Hamilton to Gifford. Mamfika ngale ma dormitories kule piano.
Wathi bamba.
Gifford wawulento uthi kuthiwa emini ngama quiet hours until 6 p.m. Baze bangiyekela ama teacher cause babe punisha baze bayekele mina nonke ngiba umsindo epiano. And I'll be playing into zami. That's why I meet a guy called Orpheus. That's why I meet at Gifford I met quite a number of artists. Abakhona ama musicians akhona right now in ama session artists abakhona ko Bulawayo.
Okay.
The likes of Erastus Nleya, Blessings Totombe, Sam, lo mnawo amoto angulungile is a drama.
Okay.
All those guys sasisonke at the same time at Gifford. And those are the most prominent guys when it comes to ama bands.
Yeah.
Bulawayo.
Bayaziwa.
Yes. So obvious nguyela pano wayephambi kwami in terms of playing. Osembonisa uthi no, but lapha you can play kule khonto ayi chord work. Ikanje amnanja lo kanoko church phela. Now semfundiso jazz. You can play like this.
Now you're learning music
like that. Then my love yayanga ku jazz. Because this is now the same person who mentions into engayizwe primary estimela. Labo yumba sekela.
So kulama memories that are being revived ukuthi kanti ngobani wena la.
Sengimbuzi ngobani laba.
Yeah.
Senginika ama cassette.
Then you go and listen.
La we reggae. Yabo. So then I'm like, okay, kwakusasela ama Walkman phela lapha. These are the guys ukuthiwa mfana labo, uthi ngamfana labo enxa ye hosi voice. Sengibona ngu understand now.
Yeah.
And already I'm in love with what? Music yabo Don Gumbo, Machaivana, Tuku. So he introduces me into that.
How long then does it take you to, I mean, I don't want us to sit kakhulu esikolweni to start going professional and saying I'm going to do this music thing?
Okay, mina ngathi sengiqede A level.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Sengiqede A level, I wanted to study MSU nganthola indawo. But imali zazingavumi because even namakhiwa kamasalula esenjani?
Yeah.
Esihambile.
Yeah.
So umasalo wasengumuntu osehleze endlini ongasebenziyo. So basebesiba lo musa ukuthi bathi singamfaka eUnisa. Ngasengiqasa ustudy ilaw. Because I'd always been fascinated also about law.
Yeah.
So I enrolled for LLB degree eUnisa. And then kwakunikeza isikhathi. So ukuthi ngenzeni ezinye izinto. So kulomali umama oseHarare ngamvakatshela wathi ngizomvakatshela sesifika ngalesa ichurch yakhe ngaplayer people in praise they umfazi actually not yena akahamba umfazi kamalumekazi.
Yeah.
So uthe uyemxoxela asesithi msukulwana into yemusic le even ekhaya vele wasuka la udala.
Yeah.
Don't you think this is something worth a try? Because by then ngesikhathi sisenzakala konoko eUnisa ngakho sasakhulumisana lamakhiwa la abelungu labaya.
Yeah.
Babengaka finalize uthi sizokhokha in fees.
Yeah.
Mase ngithi no I can do something wabe enginika $500. Wow. What I need you ukuthi follow your passion. Wenze something about your life. At the moment lama I'm going through a difficult time. I can't assist you in your school fees.
Yeah.
But here's $500 US dollars.
It might be a start.
You can do what you want with it. But I mean ngicanda uyifake towards music wenze an album of yours. So waseng introduce her to a cousin of ours. Osebenza kakhulu iNational FM leSky's Metro kuthiwa nguDenson Kulube.
Ukulube.
That's my cousin.
Okay.
That's the guy or responsible for ukuthi ngibe lapha engikhona also as well today.
Serious?
Because nguye umuntu ohamba wangintroduce kuJoe Maseko.
Wow. Okay, qhubeka.
I become a protege kaJoe Maseko.
Hey.
ngangise studio every day makubuyo iyasa makubuyo bani.
What are you specifically doing at the time when I'm
First I was learning mina ngafika kuJoe umuntu omele ngirecord ialbum but ivoice still yayinga
I
sharp. So Joe says to my guy albums asili recordile of which we had struggled but I feel like mangathi keep album lela I'm sure changing you when anyakubona ukuthi into good kiyo kahle is production and writing.
Yep.
Because he would use me to write even for other people. So, would you mind if I teach you that? I said, no problem. Ngihlala ePhumula East, uJoe uhlale eLokuzene eGwabalanda. It's like less than a 20-minute drive. So what happens now, I become umuntu osefunda kuJoe. We're using a software called Reason.
Okay.
And that is around 2009.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Reason software. In no time ngawutsho ukuthi improvement engase ngilayo because uJoe ngantshona like every day I had ample time mama nya start endlini during the day ngikoJoe and umama wayeunderstanda by then wayesebenza ku-NGO so she was able ukuthi even anginike imali oti gada
hamba
uyenzani
yeah
nginamvala uthi imali kamalume phela ngala umela ngidliwe
yes
kumele ngiyenze izinto ngingamtshela ukuthi kwaphela
yes
so as that happens nguJoe I meet a guy who was a wizard in production and keyboards called Israel Yoyolani use Cape Town now.
Okay.
This guy was an all-rounder. He could play keys for anything.
Yeah.
So while a problem one mayibuya koBulawayo wayengela accommodation. So mina ngathi no my guy mana ngikhulume lo mama yazi zim parents.
Yes.
Kulo mngani wami lapha so.
So Mchita is originally from South Africa.
He's from Zim.
From Zim.
Yes.
But
Jebutu.
That
was
outside
very good.
Of. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So uIsrael estima ibuya uhlala ngapi? Ngikhaya. Mayehlala ngikhaya lapana uhlala ethele computer yakhe ngapi? Ngikhaya. So masingekho e-studio phela sibi se-studio every day. I'm learning from who? From him. Mangingelayo I'm learning from who? From Joe.
Spoiled for choice.
Yes. Uyabona?
Yeah.
So it got to a point ukuthi bekubuya abo Culture Spears siyabe sikhona kusenziwa yonke into la to take part. Abantu abaningi beBotswana eproducerwa nguJoe bonke oMax laba. She signed with Universal now. She's one of the big artists there. Babebuya mbani ke accommodation ngikhaya.
Umdala uJoe dala isebenza phela.
uJoe kudala bro.
Balutshwana abantu abangamqambiyo especially
kuBulawayo nguyo.
Sis K was here he mentioned how Joe put him in.
And why umuntu who is willing to teach. Mina uJoe asingabhala ingoma bayathi yeah writing yakho ndoda. Yinto kuphela ehlala estikima ngeke ngufundise lutho ngayo because wazi wathi kimi yakwazi i-writing yakho angeke ngufundise lutho ngayo sengakufundisa ama beats. But i-writing yakho is just
out of this world. Yabebona.
And your ability to ukuthi kathesi kuthiwe yirumba le kuthiwe le hip hop ikwaito and you just write into fitayo. You know.
So you've written for quite a lot of artists.
Yeah, a number of them.
Okay. But isikhathini esiningi abantu who are writers don't want to mention also to protect the artist or unless the artist makuyiyo qambayo ukuthi hayi mina ngabhalelwa ngu-DJ Jebs.
Yeah.
So now what happens after that? So sebenza nabo Joe studio time uyasithola. Who do you work with and you feel like okay, I think I can do this?
Sasenza project kaMax.
From Botswana.
Yes. uJoe by then he set me loose, he unleashed. Wathi ndoda mfuna onjani? Program lokho. I remember I went to Usimba Rashe KOD ngacela amanye ama-packs.
Yeah.
He's a producer as well.
Yeah.
I don't know if he still remembers but ngacela kula ma-packs engacela kuye.
Yeah.
Then I did stuff ngasihambisa kuJoe. So mina would do stuff lo Max endlini ngihambise kuJoe sokuli beat. Bafike ba record and that album yampusha kakhulu Max eBotswana. That's when I knew ukuthi okay. Right. And remember, I already had my own Afro Jazz album.
Yeah.
It was now playing on national TV.
Yeah.
Right. One thing I didn't mention, man senze A-level ngayenzele 10 cent Hlabangani. One of my juniors was Manesi.
Manesi Ndlovu.
Yes.
Oyekhulumani manje.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the very same person who I push stuff summing up and updating everything. Radio Zim, National FM, something
Yes,
there.
yes.
I had a song, it was on the charts, it was the whole of Zim, it was I think around number 2. Voice on.
So at the time, are you using DJ Jeffs or you're using a different
I'm using
name?
Jabu. Jabu ngona spell JAHBUE.
J-A or
JAHBUE.
Ah, okay.
You know, I'm using that name at that time.
Yeah.
So that album goes to ama ears abo the likes of Sipho Sithole, Native Rhythms. They contact me. We start talking.
While you're still in Zim?
I'm in Zim. Mpana would use even ama services umuntu njengawe in writing if you're the one who's writing.
Yeah.
Production better la, but compositions, even if unga compose a beat for us, compose la lyrics into enjalo. So ngasensithi okay, so when would you like me to be there? I understand.
Yeah.
Basebenze udano kule project esiyenza for abasiphokazi next year look. So mina ngase decide ngathatha initiative yothi let me go and be there. Ibe seduzana.
Yeah.
And for sure baze bangivite kule show ye The Soil a baseline. I went there.
Is this
but
your first time coming to South Africa?
No, I visited.
Or you had visited before?
I had visited before, yes.
Oh, okay.
But lapha sembuya London with Senzo Music. And by then already I have a house song EP engalienzile futhi. Elalihlupha kwakula matches wodwa iAphrodisia MP3.
Okay.
Elicomputer labo Black Coffee. Wow. It was also number 2 at some point. Black Coffee was number 1. That's house music. We understand.
Yeah.
So I was the first person who was using a fingerprint. Kungakaphuma fingerprints ka Prof.
Serious?
We've actually spoken about it, Prof, and laughed about it. But it's a story for another day.
So wait.
Was
it identical or what?
Because I had sent it there. I can say.
So,
but at the same time, ntwana so you can never know because Ibrahim.
So you later on meet up with him and then
later on, yes. No.
But ntwana eKapa kumbe lapho uyithumele khona bamnikeza bayenza ngathi bambhalele.
When I got there and worked with those people,
yeah,
because I didn't work for Kalawa, I worked with
Kalawa.
I understood ukuthi into lezi zisebenza njani kabe kubuya into ezinjani. Those guys baba lama demos agcwala idustbin.
Yeah.
Some they listen to, some they don't.
True.
So sometimes you can have a listening session. Sengakubona even man ulalele something. Then later 3 months later decide to compose a song. You were influenced by what you had.
That's it. A lot of songs vele yaziza ukuthi is influenced by another song.
Yes. So you cannot
really
artist. Sometimes we pinpoint to how untshontsile, how what.
So let's rewind a bit. So when you come to SA, are you working with or for Native Rhythms first, or what happens then? Sipho Sithole?
Okay, I almost worked with. It didn't materialize.
Okay, what happened?
And usithole umuntu straightforward yabona. Wantshela athi ayintwana wayengazangathi kimi buyi. Wathi ayintwana lapha sisamile kule problem esilayo enje. That's now time wasongena kona hip hop. Siqasa ungathi yahlupha lapho sebephusha Zulu Boy and all that.
Yeah.
So iproject la vele ngithi lami ngithayimela ukuthi ngilanda isayenziwanga. Yabo.
Yeah.
Then I found myself here. Now I have to work. I have to find a job.
Yeah.
Ngapha lokho empush isikolo uyabona.
Konje you've got an LLB.
Yes. So ngagcina sensiyasebenza Pizza Perfect, Glen Vista Pizza Perfect. Siswam was managing there.
I see that one, yeah.
So I worked there, ngisenza ama pizza khona phayana. Then ngayenza lama deliveries. So ntemphakathi wenza ama deliveries. I didn't work there for more than 6 months. Then I made enough money because I managed to get umsebenzi wokusa-introduce amachisa nyama.
Yeah.
From the other lady uthi ngimenzela ama deliveries. So there was a lot of money in that area because that area is a rich area.
Yes, yeah.
Ama tips lana ngase ngikhuluma futhi lamakhiwa lana ngambhadalela fees akamasalu. Guys, I've raised imali engaka. Ngifuna ukuyenza specialized welding, aircraft welding.
Okay.
But manje ilo ke and ilo kona lapho vele ngase ngifeile enye module financial accounting because I'd never done accounting in my life.
Yeah.
Yabo. So basebesithi so decide ukuthi siyeke lokwelo ucontinue ngalokhu owathi ngathi asijiyene kwelo ngiyenze lokho.
So is this when you
banginika imali and I already had half of it.
aha.
So ngahamba ke ngaya eDenel ngayenza specialized welding le eKhuruleni Artisans and Skills
Yes.
Training Center.
Yes.
So I'm an aircraft welder.
Wow.
I can do all types of welding like abo argon, CO2, arc, nganika ibhakla banja lenzo nganika ni ka cylinder.
Serious?
Yabo.
But the music it was nga.
Imusic yayilokhu ikhona. By then yayilokhu ikhona. Funny thing ngathi ngiceda lapha. Yayilokhu ikhona imusic kodwa engqondweni. Ngoba by then angeke ngithi mina I was doing anything. Anomngane wami wase Orange Farm.
Yeah.
He's still there. I was with him a couple of days. Uthiwa nguLucky Chabang. That's one guy who is South African.
Yeah.
Who helped me out a lot. He's a producer. A producer of Mandoza. He worked with Abo Ghetto Raf.
Yeah.
First song of Vusinova. I'd rather be blind.
Yes.
Sasi sonke lo Lucky. I'd rather go blind.
You produced that song.
It was Lucky, but I was there. My hand is there.
Oh.
I have a hand in that song. Yafaka uVusinova on the
Eyaphela ngaba mazi khona bani uVusinova.
Yes.
Babedlala kakhulu.
I'd rather go blind.
Yes, babedlala kakhulu ku SABC 1 after hours.
Yes. Asku lance there. Iqala ukumbona khona ngihamba lo bani? Lo Lucky. So that's one hit I can say because lami ngafaka an effort. You understand?
Yeah.
But he was the main man uLucky.
Yeah.
He's like a brother to me. Vele asehlukana umjito wangu. Namanzi ezimo yabuyivi nazo ntshayile around.
Yeah.
Into ezinjalo.
Yeah.
So nguye umuntu ekanoke imvakatshela because he had a studio at home. But music yayingathi vele kimi sisiba slippery because mangiqeda eKhuruleni ngale ngaswela umsebenzi. Umsebenzi wami engangufundele lapha na mostly lapha wenziwa amabhunu.
Yeah.
And I didn't even have a work permit. But lucky enough umlungu lo wayesesethe umasalo in moved here. Wayesetshenzelwa umasalo la. Yethe company wathi Simplicity e-gaming. Yayidila loku repair lo manufacture ama casino machines. Wasesithi no there's a learnership la kuyabe kubhadala abo ma 6,000 ufunda.
Yeah.
That's the best I can do for you.
Yeah.
Ufundele ukwenza imchina ye-casino. Mina ngangulanda konke wathi kulo uyisalary konke.
Yeah. Iwoqhakathekileyo.
Ngihamba kayenza course ngagraduate top of the class just like I done at Daniel. So kuthe kunjalo I was headhunted by iMonte Casino. And I worked good technical department in Monte Casino for around I think 4 years.
Wow.
3 to 4 years. Good technical side, yeah.
Wow.
I was the only foreigner there because the casino iqhatsha ama foreigners. Unless bengakwazi.
Also unless mawuve ugood entweni oyenza.
Exactly. So I was the go-to guy there for years. Then ngagcina sengisuka sokusuke the guy onguye wayenjani.
Eqhatshile
lapha ya. Because wase promotiwe la kwabuya omunye. La wayela wakha ama goals awafunayo yabo.
Yeah.
So ekusukeni kwami lapha na an accident. Because ngisemonte lambe emphila bengumuntu yabo.
Yeah.
Those are big companies you
Yeah.
get paid.
Hayi yasetshenzwa.
But ngikhona ngale. And all along ngisekhaya ngirelease into lezi. There's a mysterious person. 2 of them I used to talk to on Facebook.
Yeah.
Engangabazi ngoba.
Do you later get to know them?
I kept in touch with those people. Omunye wankona waqala ukuthi uyansend even izinto. Amanye ama errands involve ifamily.
Wow.
I didn't even know where is this guy in the world.
Wow.
But those were people who would give me advice in music. One of them, I got to know him as Mthulisi Patrick.
Tulisi Patrick in the UK.
Yes.
The big DJ.
Yes. Then the other one is Elvis Bando Emacox.
Hey man. Shout out to
These are the guys. Maumbona nginje.
Shout out to Mthulisi. Mthulisi has been busy. I think Spaces Sagitti sometimes doesn't really receive people and allow them to express their gifts or who they are. Mthulisi, Patrick Awonoma, at some point they had a podcast in the UK. At some point he used to play Wasakane live. He was really good. I don't know what he's doing now, but I understand you when you say he actually...
Yeah. Those people,
on.
we had been talking ngisekhaya. Ngirelease sonke izinto engangizirelease ekhaya. Manje Elvis has done way more.
What did he do?
Ngathi, let me not say way more. I think angazi konke, but these guys bong too are my bros, bro. They are my go-to guys.
Yeah.
Elvis, mina all the doors, ngathi 90% of the doors that were opened in South Africa were opened by Elvis.
Wow.
Singakaze sibonane. La kathesi ngikhuluma sosi la asikaze sibonane ngamehlo.
Are you serious?
I know ifamily yakhe yonke bra.
Where is he?
He's in the UK.
Brother Elvis. Siyabonga.
And kayenzelanga mina ngedwa. Nguye phela wemakhoks okwakhusuka khona osisinobuhle Fitch.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Kungizwa ngithi these guys it's difficult to bakhompe ukuthi ubani uyenze more. I think both of them.
We appreciate them.
I give them their flowers.
We appreciate them.
Because omunye omunye evula nga.
Yeah.
So
bengakwenzela imona.
Hayi.
Abakwazi lokukwazi.
So by the time mina ngisuka eMonti, I was depressed. You know, sasebenzi. Usuka ku salary by then back then let's say it's 2017 so salary yabo almost 20,000 rands.
Yeah.
Usahola usasebenzi. And I was a biker by then, motorbikes. Remember ngenza ama delivery. So I knew the thrill of a bike.
Yeah.
Ngayenza accident at Southgate. Yeah, very terrible ngangela nyama vele umzimba.
Sandleni.
Ngangilimele vele oku serious. What I never thought ukuthi I would be able to stand la ngwelinye ilanga ngibe sharp.
Yeah.
You know. So those are the people who are there. By that time umthulisa sasakhuluma kakhulu. Especially uElvis, he was there.
How do you then get to work with Kalawa?
Elvis had worked with Kalawa before he left. Why his best friend ka Scotch manager weKalawa. So he's the one who says to me, right, usu right bra. Suphumile esibhedlela. Susilile kukho konke lokho. What do we do? Nansi sound yahlupha lapha igqomo. I believe you can do it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Wangena.
Ngangena. Sathi ama single play ku radio and all that. Kwaba mnandi kwaba nje anani igqoma izange last. Kwabe kubuya ipiano.
Yeah.
Abe mfonela kanye ilanga bese into dalizwa ipiano ngathi akusakhala umshove.
Yeah. Umshove umbali.
Wabesti so I believe one thing uthi quality yakho you are as good as this guy, this Kabza guy. So wena uthini?
But manje wena uthini?
Ngathi abuda into le yangaze ngizama. Why don't you try it? Ngana mali ku studio mina anla equipment right now ngiphelele umsebenzi anla lutho. Wabesti cost malini. I had also an old man who was teaching me mixing and mastering. Because I wasn't confident in mixing and mastering yami. I knew ukuthi beat ngiyakwadula. All along. Abe ngimtshela wabe ngithumela imali transport le mali yokubhuka. Wanithumela imali yayikwana ukubhuka 6 hours.
Wow.
Guess what? 45 minutes I was done with the beat elame lama piano.
Yeah.
Which went on to be picked by uSpeedy. Laba ku album ka Speedy.
Which song was that?
Ikhona eyami lo Speedy lo Nhlanhla Nciza, uNhlanhla Mafikizolo.
Yes.
Uthwa nawe sengifinqa iminwe ukuthi ngowami.
Yeah.
That very album Elvis is the same person why promoter le UK with his friends abo Panther Kasela with Glow Records.
Yeah.
If you know Tsepiso,
Yes.
she's under Glow Records. I was the first guy to produce for Glow Records like South Africa.
Utsepiso, I think we have attempted to have her here more than 5 times. It's only that every time Martin Asileskati usespana
Yeah, uhlale busy. That I can attest to.
Yeah, but she's good. I really
So
like and
like akwazi into engikhuluma yona le.
And abantu abamazi and I think check it out.
She's very good. She's very good.
There's a she dropped a single recently something.
Labo Mahu.
Not Liane Labo Mahu. There's one that she did I1 about
Amaxoki. Lo Panther.
Something like that.
The Panther guy, nguye promoter bethatha ama artists labe wase UK lo Elvis.
Oh man.
So this is why Elvis said all the connection was able to open doors for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So Elvis is the one who sends that beat to Speed. Speed is like, what? So I became the go-to guy because back then amapiano abantu bebeka understand. Bengafanele akathi sothi any boy ose studio can. Bewukwazi mawufuna ukuthola iquality liyane yabo Kabza lana. Ubuya kimi. So abantu ababebuya ku Scotch wayebaletha ngapi? Give lo Elvis. And guess what? Elvis never took a cent of it.
Serious?
Yakho. Sasesivulile eblanket together. Akutshela le ngiyakho yokuthi survive. Wena asishaye wethu umsebenzi la we signed a girl called Lala from Harare.
Okay.
So would bring a years shoot ama-video labontoshikazi, uguy with
Yeah,
John
yeah,
Vuligeti,
yeah.
different things,
So mabe bebuya bezofuna ama-beats epiano, are you part of the royalties? Are you selling these beats to them? What is the setup?
All right, so mina mostly I worked as a cost producer for a long time. What it means is that when ama uyi-producer lounge, uyabuya kimi nguthengisela beat outright or ulirent. So what happens ma ulirentile sile agreement mina la uthi engomeni nje, because if I do a beat ngiyi-one ungazange ungitshela ukuthi ngenza imelody enje okunjani, I own 100% of it. Wena ungahlabela ubhala ama-lyrics akho kube ingoma sengi-owna 50 wena 50, so siba le percentage esiyivumelanayo.
Yeah.
Then omunye umuntu abe yimuntu oprominent, especially abantu ayelethwa ngo-Elvis abaningi abantu abaprominent.
Yeah.
So abanye bangikhona zingoma elizaziyo ezingenza wina ama-awards khona la, but wawusiba lama non-disclosure.
Ukuthi
Lama
that's why earlier when I
agreements, yabo.
said ukuthi so ezinye
Yes.
you can't say ukuthi yimi.
Yes, but
Ah.
zikhona that I can say, like I've done songs ezilabo
So
Big Zulu,
iziphe that you can say ungela non disclosure ukuthi le
mostly it's North African stuff. Eslabo Diamond, eslabo Inos B we
Diamond
Congo.
Platinum.
Yes. Inos B we Congo. Eslabo Eddie Kenzo. Eslabo Chayuta we Ghana, Miss V we Ghana.
Okay.
Some Nigerian guys abo High Voltage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Locally
Then lapha I did stuff labo Nogwazi as well.
nokwazi.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything I did lo Nogwazi abo Baby Boy lo Shinely Greens, I would write it the song word to word and sing it.
And
Yenze le beat, then send it to her. Yena abuye e-studio eyishaya.
Bra.
Then ezinye sasibuya sicompose e-studio abesithi lapha sawuthini bafana.
Fake lapho eda so.
Nguye umuntu oqala uthi DJ Jabs.
Unokwazi.
Yeah. Jabu Jabs, okay. But wena ushanga ama Jabs la. So wena usuzoba ngo-Jabs. So wayihlala emfanisa lenye out. Ansakwazi wathi wambana esithi ngumashashaya. Wathi Mr. What umbe Mr. White umbe man.
Yeah.
Ngara sister mina so I'm not like that. Was wena nza ukuthi ngu-Jabs.
So you work
Because ama beats akho ale punch. So sesiza ukuthi DJ Jabs.
So you're mentioning ukuthi you also did some work labo Big Zulu.
Yes. uZulu manje ngimazi from the guy we Orange Farm. Lucky.
Oh like
He used to come ngeteksi lapha ya. Before he was big, lami ngisahamba mvakatsha ngale.
wow.
So we'd already done stuff kudala together.
Yes.
Ngale.
Yeah.
So now we meet again. At this time Elvis, like I said, ukuthi is bringing people left, right and center to work with me. Wayethatha nje isample yomsebenzi wami. Awunika abantu.
Athi
Bathi,
lalela-
"Oh, bra, is this Sukabs awupora?" No, intwana yami. And by then kwakulo Vigro Deeper, he was good with amapiano.
Yeah.
Kwakulo Kabs, all the MFR souls.
Yeah,
Then there
yeah.
was me.
Yeah,
The
MFR
only
Souls.
difference ngami, I was behind the what? The scenes.
Uh,
As a producer and a beat maker.
Yeah.
So, but he was bringing a lot of artists. Mnibongo mafindla nsipanelayo almost yonke. It's through him.
yeah.
About Jasid. Even now I did a project for Jasid late last year.
Okay.
Epumega Test. Recently an album.
Yeah.
So we were working. Kwangela sikhathi sokuthi kuthiwa uyatshona uhlezi endlini wawusebenza wawungalambi.
Yeah.
Imali ayikhona.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And imali yangona ingeyakho.
I share
Hayi,
kula
royalties
kula-
will come.
Yes.
Yes, ukufile la uthi udli royalty kunjani. Mina ngakufila through Sambro.
Nxa uzwa lengoma yakho idlala ku radio.
Bro, my first royalty check kwakula eSouth Africa. Yabo. So what happened is Elvis also brought umngane wakhe uPanther kimi because uPanther was opening uGasela,
Yeah.
a record label una le ngitsho iGlow.
Yeah.
So uGasela says Tintwana, when you're on the ground, you know people, and I want you to work hand in hand lo Brascotch. Scotch, the
Ekalawa.
manager weKalawa.
Yeah.
Of which mina by then I was supposed to go and stay lo Scotch elokuzenelo eKalawa lapha.
Yeah.
But kwasokusiba lama changes nje ngagcina ngingasayanga.
Yeah.
I understand. Elvis had facilitated that.
So uScotch, how long did you work with him?
uScotch up to now is somebody uthi uyakwanisa la ulethe umuntu.
Yeah.
Owacela ukuthi nkulabantu
Yes.
afuna wenzela into enje.
Oh.
Even sometimes it's pro bono. Yabe ngikwazi ukuthi angangenza izinto. One way or the other it can be 2 years from now izabhadala.
Wow.
He's like an uncle, ngangimbiza Uncle Scotch.
Yeah.
Nguyo manager ini. ikalawo
ekalawo
so abanye abantu ngase anje abantu kwakusenzakalani uElvis because he believed in me umthulisi because he believed in me their contacts also believed in me also because I delivered I would make sure
delivered the work you did
mina
what
mawusithi
you was
ukuthi angilali ngangingalali I remember there's a guy engando uhamba la uPalma e-studio sakho uPalma wayemfundisa i-mixing and mastering I would go there bro ngisiya mixa ni master i-project or when he is first ngihamba yena kunguyo mixer master ngiyabe ngihlezi eceleni so
yeah
if he says I'm going to work over this overnight and
You'll
I'm
sit
going to
there.
be there
where is this determination coming from
yabo no into yabi kuwe lendlala
okunye ikuwe but
Yes.
indlala in pain can
Yeah.
push you sometimes when people
will.
people ask me sometimes like yeah so now you've got a job and then you do this charity work so now why the podcast why content creation guys let's fela khona akula backup
yes
yeah you are your only backup
mina indlala engikhuluma ngayo siyothi kulapha
Yeah.
because already I was making money from big
Yeah.
sales and all that
Yeah.
konkanti I want to be at par
that's it
my counterparts kwakulabo DJ Clep bra kwakulabo Maporis
yeah
kwakulabo Kabza
yeah
kwakulabantu abaningi all these guys ungalalela ingoma yabo so uyilalele ku sound proper wawusithi yeah
kuthethwa isikhathi
wena ubusulalela yakho usithi beat lakho liyachaya but sound yakho le
kulento eshodayo
kuyaxeka yabona so you want to be there but awufuni ukuthi ube laphana ngebizo lomunye umuntu ufuna ukuthi ube able wena ukuthi ukwenze
ube nguwe
so that hunger for more yokuthi ube better uperfect craft yakho
yeah
is what used to drive me it still drives me up to now
till today
mina right now ngambiza ukuthi asenze into enjalo ndaba ukuthi uprominent or what
Yeah.
I give my best
yeah
yabo
so uproduce kuzokuzwakala sokulama some pieces some songs that are winning awards internationally take us through
right so what happened is Eddie Kenzo
yeah
I start working with Eddie Kenzo
yeah
Elvis had said to me do you know what were the first people no one can dispute it we have proof to do amapiano collaborations outside like SA internationally
before
lisaqala isipiano
bengakayenzi
and
okabsa
the first people we approached yes nazo sihlala phansi Elvis would talk efonini yazi into leyo hlala ukuthi abantu beUK bafona bangaqedi
yeah
thina would talk 4 hours
yeah
siyenza imeeting yethu siqede ukuthi okay laba abanye bahamba so thina singahamba so so Elvis wasesithi start approaching abantu ba outside unjani wenza ama collaborations la because abalapha babedura abaningi bankona abanye babengakabelieve kupiano the artists would tell us ababe prominent straight to time nalokho hayi
kade sebabhizi
kathesi lokho igqomi ibuyile 1-2 years yadlula lokho kuyadlula lokho
yeah
yabo
yeah
so I then started ukuthi ngiya approach abantu aba outside ngiye ku Instagram ngiba email Kenyan artists Nigerian artists ngaphi abaningi babephendula bathumela ama beats but oh they are nice babaka understand
labo the hype was also not yet there
yes but then ngathi ngisiyagela esalon welinye ilanga eyayi under komamncane because remember after the accident I needed unakekelwa accident I had to stay lo mamncane
yeah
so ngathi ngisiyagela abona kulomjido ofakiwe lapha na kule post ochaya isuit yakhe eyipink ngasembuza umjida lomnikazi
wesalon
because wake waceda imdesignele something
what imbali lo
I know his name is Eddie Kenzo is the biggest artist in East Africa in Uganda what I said no how can I talk to him obviously I'm bringing him over ngimletha for a gig la so angafika lapha nyakwanisa ukuthi uzafika vele la umbone
yeah
yabo angaba excited ngase ngiqasha umtshela uyabona mina producer ngenze lokhu la sena yena wayengithanda nje njengentwana yakhe
yeah
so sithi how so wenza wonke lokhu ungasitsheli manje vele definitely umjida would like that
yeah
umjida kasabu yakho but wagcine seninikeza inamba kamanager
that
ngaqasha ukhuluma lo manager by then uSpeedy is doing his album and i-album leli yilo engilitsho ukuthi one of the songs lelo nhlanhlancisa
Yes.
eyinye ingoma ayithatha yayi Love Your Brown ingoma yami Love Your Brown so that's how Vio Brown ended up on the Speedy album.
Yes, I saw Vio Brown recently posted on Facebook and then
yes,
I didn't even know.
It's not like Speedy went to Vio Brown or Vio Brown knew Speedy. No, it was through me. Ngazwisa uSpeedy wayechaya around ngamzwisana that track uthi since usenze album kulenye into la wayeseke wayithunyelwa futhi
I love Vio Brown, bro. Like, yo, I don't know. Like, sometimes I feel like, angazi, and I remember at some point I posted and just reshared some
Yeah.
of the
She's
stuff
very
she was
talented.
posting. She is talent. She is clean.
Humble too.
Yes.
Very disciplined artist.
Now, ama-artist wakithi lawana are-talented soyana. Sizathini?
Sizabuya lapho. Mana ngiqedisela istory lesi. Ngakakhohlwa.
Yes, kube.
So Guy links me lo manager ka Eddie Kenzo. Because uSpeed is already doing an album. Sasimenza so thina. Sasingambhadalisi for umsebenzi wami. Wayesibhadala ngofaka ama verse engomeni zethu. So ikhona ifaka iverse. Ngase ngithumela umanager ithumela Eddie Kenzo loved it. Base be recorder yabuya ngamixa ngamaster. Kodwa Monade yayilolala safaka ulala. Fela Kivahla Monade. It featured also uNqobile Danso.
Yep.
Uyabona ungakhayela ama video ka Davido, if I tell you that I love you. The girl in the video. Nqobile Danso. She's based in the UK. She featured also on the what? On that song.
Yeah, Eddie Kenzo.
Yes. Lo Speedy, lo Lala. So when I sent back the finished work, Eddie Kenzo was so impressed with one contact and a direct number yakhe.
Okay.
What bro? From now onwards, I want you to be one of my official producers.
Yeah.
So let's work.
Yeah.
This was another person now wavula
Iminyango.
umnyango to a lot of superstars that I'm surviving on up to today. Boma Inos B is one of the biggest artists after Ufali Ipupa at DRC. He was based in America all along. Nigerian artist because he's big. So these big people, bale language ya wababhadalisana even izinto. We went even to the extent of doing ama tracks labo lokuzenda labo professor labo Eddie Kenzo.
Wow.
So kuyimi esembahlanganisa manje. I
So
understand.
that song Eddie Kenzo is the one that goes on to win an award.
Yes,
Is
but
it a
before it gets nominated.
And nominated.
The first song gets nominated. Then the second time kubuya ama considerations lana ngu3 ama Grammys. It was now the second time. The first time nobody knew about it. It was never spoken about.
Yeah.
But before that there is Xavier. Ngiyachiselwa the comedian guy.
Xavier, yeah.
Yes,
In the
Xavier
UK.
ingoma zakho I don't know what.
Yeah.
Sasenzwa yimi la, he would fly down here. He would do those songs here. Ngilinkwe mbani?
Elvis. Hey. Elvis.
We were trending TikTok isaqala lapha labo Xavier. I don't know.
Yes.
I wrote that song. Xavier obela statement what Jay. The statement la best I don't know if I know but I think I know. So
Yeah.
I'm the one who came out, I don't know but I think I know. NZ beat.
Yeah.
Kudala lapha. Sathola uCherotwa nguthina eRosebank Mall. Samuzwe ihlabela she was on a lunch break.
Namthatha.
Samthatha. Sagcina simuse studio. That's how those songs came by.
But
We're
Brad-
creating hits, but what I don't know was that song reached 10 million views on TikTok in no time.
But Brad, do you know the amount of work you've done? Do you understand it? Does it overwhelm you?
It doesn't really overwhelm me because
Yeah.
I think I'm an addict to this
art,
thing.
yeah.
Ngingayenza ingoma namuhla nje. Ingavela iphuma selandabalayo. I'm now looking forward to the next thing.
Yeah, I know the thrill. So a thrill
Yeah.
chaser, a
Oh,
thrill
yeah.
seeker.
And I'm a creator, so into lezi zihlala zi.
So uNkulunkulu
Zibuya.
pours into you.
Yeah.
When you let out, he pours more. So you need to keep creating.
So Xavier is one of my bros. Is one guy also who has been there for me even through difficult times. Saspana kakhulu.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. Ispanish sakhe siningi esibhaye sibe le impact out there. It was these two hands.
Wow.
So then back to Eddie Kenzo. So now Eddie Kenzo kwangumuntu othi wayeselesikhathi wayele issue ayelayo engarelease. So uthe sezwe stuff lesana wasesithi Bram funa ukwenza album.
Yeah.
I want you to be the point man. So ukuthi production yonke yabe yendlwa mbani. Ungazobela ama producers mixing mastering.
You oversee.
Yes, so no ngiyayihandle. So ukuthi that's money. 1. 2 that's a lot of trust.
Yeah.
Sikaze sihlangana.
Yeah.
Sayishaya i-album yakhe liyana eyokuqala. And kwaba mnandi yaphuma. I think I had 4, 5, 6 songs. Ibhaliwe la ku YouTube produced by DJ Jebs. Zahlupha la zokhona ngale. Okimuli obani bani. Uyabo. So kuthe kunjalo uthe sesenza the second album. made.
Yeah.
Made in Africa, man.
Oh, okay.
That's when also I was involved with production. Because I keep it album ngabe involved. Akwenzakala.
Wow. You still work with him, right?
Yes, abantu engikhuluma laba abantu esikhuluma like esesiqeda iviki sakhuluma. Engikhuluma ngabo wena lapha.
So would you say technology or the Internet of Things have really bridged the gap
Lockdown.
because
Lockdown.
Because now you don't need to travel now to
Because abantu laba
Uganda.
mangisenda ama beats. Uyarecorda mbuye lapha. Mina good thing ngami ngarecorda on a beat mbuya sengi-add ezinye izinto. Hlanganise mix and master ngikuthumele back a finished song. Wow. But uXavier wayebuya in person.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Then laba uZulu, we worked with them. uZulu, we did a song lo Shinely Greens. She was the first artist ye Glow Records eKaphanta. So I was the point man owayesenza production yonke on the ground. Sayenza ingoma iyabhalwa yimi uBaby Boy. Elo Shinely lo nokwazi. We shot a video lo Dubelicious. Ayabona already now it's linking me to who? uDubelicious.
Yes.
Right. Remember all these clients. So mase bebuya befuna ama video sembasa kubani. Now same building relationship.
Yeah.
Uyabo?
So ama connections lawa abalekile.
Connections matter a lot in the music industry. A lot.
They are currency yakho.
Currency yakhona, yes. Because it matters who you are. You know what I mean right now ngathi wena mfuna ukwenza collab lo nokwazi.
Yeah.
I can pick up the phone now and call you. Sisters. Uzezwa vele sikhuluma kahle ngusisi wami.
Yes.
Kulomuntu
lapha, yeah.
Nguye manager. Kulomuntu lapha othi so. Last year I did it for uKupa man.
Oh yes.
Isezim. Kulomuntu othi so uphethwe kungaka sister. Kuncengele mina la nxa kungukuthi akukwana. Athi alright ngithisi kunguwe mina man sizamenzela. But trust me, akasoza yenza ukuthi kuthiwa uyenza uyayenza lokhana kwemali ekwanile.
Yes. She will put her all.
Yes, workmanship yakhona uyabona. Prof, we did stuff together. Stone webongo muffin, Jasid, Speedy, Nhlanhla Nciza, Mafikizolo. Did quite some stuff, yabo. Then Bruce Sebihlo, one of the directors bekalao.
Yes.
Elvis linked me direct to Bruce. Nguyomchidalwana ku BOP lo Oskito ama
Yeah, Bruce Ngemboni, yes.
This is the guy who was also mentoring me when it comes to mixing and mastering. Angilinkwe ngubani? Uma-Eli. Yabo. Wow. So I want to Elvis wayemvulela iminyango nje.
Yeah.
Eyayimnengi. Ayibona leyo.
Guys, vulelana abanye iminyango. Into zokuthi valile lezi
kakhulu.
Lenza ukuthi singabe lama awards. And then you move back home.
Yeah, moving back home. It was 2020 what kanti? 22.
What inspired that? Yeah, 2020.
2023. Mid 2023.
Okay, because we were speaking.
What happened is a year before 2022, I went through depression. That's when sasenze khona uGive Me Love ka Eddie Kenzo. I done the beat. Alsendelo Stein is one of the producers.
Yeah.
Wayenza kwenzayo. It was nominated for Grammys. Ingoma for the first time Eddie Kenzo nominated for a Grammys wazohamba kuma Grammys.
Wow.
The beat lalisuke kimi.
Wow.
And right. I was celebrate, I was because I was a mess.
You were not okay.
I was not okay.
What was happening?
I only told, I think, Patrick about it. You know, kube lento nje but yabo izinto zazingathi asihambi kahle. You know, yeah, I wasn't well, like a lot of things were not making sense. Le mali khumbula ingasekho as much as, because now every youngster can do amapiano beats, every youngster can do this, you know, of which that was my main.
So would you say going home was you trying to deal or heal from a depression?
Okay. Going home for me wasn't planned.
Okay.
Umna wami watheni yalobola. So umama wasesithi kimi, no, my guy, umama wayehlale kutsho vele you need to go home uke decompressa. Chaya ngumoya. Okunye futhi you are working day and night. So kumele uhambe uye khodwa lidlozi.
Yeah.
Uphenduke.
Yeah, qhakathekile.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
Mina ngathi okay, njani? Because mina wanika comfort kakhulu ukuthi umasalo ayila. So yena maye funge ekhaya mina just say amasalo ufuna how much?
Yabo.
Mina nisale ngispan.
So wena ngathi ufikile ekhaya kanti awufika.
So umasalo asesister sambe. azamfaka excuse othi angilamali ngabona sendithumela anto ile passport copy yami
Yeah.
i-ticket le-Swiss yabo
Yeah.
kwathiwa ngathi Masalo wathi yini ubufunele eflight yini ngubhukele kathesi
Yeah.
mina no
Yeah.
wazothi alright ngahamba. I remember kulo sisi othiwa uNonsi. I don't know if you know her, she's in Ireland now.
Nonsi.
Nonsi ke lelo shabanga.
I remember I don't.
Right.
Saza abantu
She's a
abaningi.
model, she's an influencer.
Okay.
Umngani ka-Awa so.
Okay.
Best friend ka-Awa.
Okay.
Sahamba sonke ekhaya. We're together shooting ivideo kaVolovolo la before I left.
Okay.
But ungakhangela ize yaphuma last year.
Ah.
So we're together sahamba sonke sihlezi sonke futhi ebhasini sahamba sicoxa nje.
Yeah.
Do you know ngathi ngicross ibhoda ngamtshela Nonsi, I've never felt like this. I feel like yonke into adisa my shoulders.
Yeah, kunjalo.
It's just
Yeah,
you know, ngafila a huge difference.
Yeah.
Nje mfike ekhaya kuphela umtshado Masalo wathi siyahamba yini ngathi angindawo mina.
Ngiyazana.
Bra. And Masalo nalamntwana namfazi.
Yeah.
So I can go where I want when I want.
Yeah.
Ngizalandela.
You're not attached or stuck to something.
Kodwa uzathiwa mfunakala lapha. Hayi. So ngizalandela. Yabo.
Yeah.
Yikukusala kwami nga
Ekhaya.
ekhaya. UNonsi uyaqala ukuphenduka kwalandela Masalo wami. UNonsi were good friends. She was one of the people who was there for me as well.
At that time.
So wathi ajeka sahamba sibuyele mina nada na. Yikukusala kwami ekhaya.
What coping mechanisms did you have during that difficult period?
Okay, during that difficult period, mina into that I learned engayifundiswa kakhulu nguMasalo wami lo scheme uElvis isibizana scheme
Yeah.
lo Buddhas ngizwa ngithi Buddhas anene ngikhuluma uPatrick.
Aha.
Bonke banjela into eyi-one but in different ways. But bro, you have achieved a lot in life in here.
Yeah.
There's a lot that is still coming. Look at the things you have done,
As
the
a
names you
positive.
have worked with, the royalty split sheets ogiwo with which names.
Yeah.
There are a lot of producers even in SA who haven't reached that level. There is something big coming to you, so when just be patient. Kanti that year, because we are going to considerations ka Eddie Kenzo abuye ngo-3 Grammy considerations.
Okay.
Yo manje aziwa yini ngabantu. But nomination ya previous year.
Awuzange babe
babeyazi
yazi.
abantu. So it was not the first
La
time.
ngiyaqala ukuyizwa because this is why phela in asking what you are telling me now ama nominations angiwazi more than what you are now saying.
Yes. So now, uyabona kwathi kubuya lezana zinto vele. I was already clean in mind. I'm ekhaya. It gave me peace of mind. Because when I feel ekhaya, I didn't have a studio. So ngafika ngahlala for some time ngingenzi anything
Yeah.
music related.
Yeah.
Jona ngisihlalele nje. Hambe ngiyebona abangani bami kulo mngane wami le shop yakhe Nensla. He wasn't well. Use rehab now.
Yeah.
Ngiyebona abangani bami nje ngiphenduka endlini ngisihlalele. Uyabo?
Yeah.
Ngangela pressure, ngila worry eyani.
Yeah.
Then I decided, you know what? My approach ngumdala uTim Kalakatha. We'd known each other. Uyabona uDube.
Yeah.
We'd known uKid. We'd known each other before.
Yes.
Omunye umuntu also wayelo of advice and all that was
Yeah.
there as well. Is in the UK. Athi ndoda hayi wena since usithi kunje so asike siyenze iproject. Ngathi no kule project ade vele sengiqalile la. E-studios kaMzolo Master Joe. Umzo mfutshela into yohani bra. People don't like that guy.
I
I'm
know
gonna be
why.
honest with you.
I know why I'm turned.
Because
he's
he's
a
a
hard
winner.
worker. He's a hard worker.
Umzonto efika mina ekhaya ngekho right. Wamvulela umnyango lo Master Joe bathi nansi studio.
That guy, bro.
What you want
He
free
is-
of charge.
He is a freak when it comes to working. He's
Yes,
a
he's a
workaholic.
workaholic.
Like,
You know.
people don't like that, bruh. Hey, what do you
Jealousy.
think people don't like us? It's because
Jealousy.
we step out there and do the work.
Kwesothiwa uzenza ongcono yazitshela but because
That's
you're
it.
working.
That's
yabo.
it.
So Umzo opened his doors. Babele studio lapha ku first lo Master Joe. Ngansenza iproject ka Master Joe by then. Yayilabo nathi so now semfike eZimbabwe sembhizi into ezilabo nathi
So kusiba lama connections
Ezilabo pop
amanye futhi.
Zilabo Poptain. Zilabo Nicholas Zakaria. These are big names in Zim.
Yeah.
Lokufika. Mfika ahlala isikhathi into engis available to the guys bathi nazo
Kwa connect.
ayishaye project ngayehla ngale. Into engiqeda Umzo wathi bra kusekhaya la uMaster Joe wathi kusekhaya la. X Studios. Then I started decide since kuthiwa sekhaya ngenzeni. Ngari let me do an album. Labantwana balapha bangaziwayo.
Yeah.
So I did a 20 track album. What was
I did.
Yabo? 20 tracks.
I phela
The album actually had more than that.
Were you dropping a single every week? Because
I drop one.
but I mean, like, because remember, you would send some of the things. For me, to me, you sent me a Google
Drive link, yes.
I'm like, is this guy crazy? When did you do this?
Uyakwazi into zonziyana. Ngasuka lapha ngingela anything. Ngasuka lapha ngingela laptop. Ngasuka lapha ngingela hard drive. I left everything. Ngoba umuntu oyanga.
Uyemtshadweni.
So ngithe ngifike ekhaya, and I'm going to do this ngemchina yabo. That way I will be able to show some other guys because nganhlala labo hit kid. Kulo mfana othiwa Ntuthu-K.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi urise njani?
Yeah.
These hands.
Because besimazi kodwa singamazi.
La manje benhlala nilandela abanye.
Yeah.
La wesifuthi ngundlovini njengami. Wayehlale ngaphi? Ela I would even say Ntuthu kona nsimali yokugada sambe studio ngenanto yokwenza. Let's just go.
I think i-art ifuna njalo.
Yeah.
I-art ifuna ukuthi xa kule studio go and hang out there.
So
that's where hits are cool.
Sekhaya ngabhala ingoma lezi angayenza ama beats lawa ya ngabhala ingoma lezi angazirecorda my voices. Kahle kahle ngangi-apply le culture fine namfuna bayenzele yapi album separate labantwana laba kwehlula sense let me put them on this one. Ngaqalisa manje ukudinga artist omunye wayisuggesta lo omunye suggest lo babebuya bonke. Yabo? Kwaze kwafika ku extent othi nga introduce to a guy by uPronix uthiwa nguLinden Lungu. We still work together up to now. He's one of the best as well.
Yeah.
Kobulawayo.
Yeah.
Nguye esathi siqedwe wenza ngoma la uya deserve.
Yeah.
What I hear Mrs. K.
Okay. Yes.
Ngathi I've heard the name because na honestly ngangakabi kwazi kahle ngento zika Msisi. Hayi kabi.
Yeah.
Then siya check YouTube. How don't I know such a person?
Yes.
Uyabo?
Yeah.
Ngamdinga umsizi ngamfonela. Do you know what umsizi did? Ngamsendela isample. The beat wasn't even complete.
Yeah.
Wathi ngiyabuya ngelanga lengaka.
Yeah.
Wafika laphana wafika la wabuya le yakhe idea yehukho uthi asijinje siyenze so sawenza wafaka ivocal lakhe wasuka wahamba ngashaya ibeat ngamixa ngamaster ngithe ngimsendela wathi thumbs up let's go. That song ihluphile bra.
Yeah.
How many months kuma charts?
La manje iyahlupha ngithe ngikubulawa ngeke ngayidlula idlala kwenye indawo.
Idlala almost like
But mina my favorite sebe yabathe.
Oh Abalali. So
that is my favorite.
Abalali how it comes.
But that song should have like, don't you think? I know with sometimes the TikTok it ends up watering down some art and whatnot. Don't you think we need to start having like dance challenges for songs like that?
We should. But put us yabona ukuthi manginje this is why kathesi senze engage uMartin Solid. The guy o manager abo XQ
Okay.
nathi all
Okay.
Thabi Moyo etc uthi sisebenze sonke.
Yeah.
I'm not good at everything. I can be
Yeah,
a creator
yeah.
but kule side
Uyabe elabe lidinga omunye umuntu.
mina yabona ukuthi kupost izinto ku Facebook people don't know I have 2 admins. Vele ukuthi ngiye ku Facebook nje ngilog ifoni kahle kahle ngikaluka le phone le ecacayo late last year. Vele ifoni yami lana othi yabi layithwa ngerefill. Ama producers sinjalo babuze bonke kanjani.
Yeah.
We don't have proper phones. Ifoni kahle kahle
akusinto yini.
asomngani wami
Wanna work.
because nisebenza ngezandla. So I needed somebody onganjani ongathatha over. So lucky enough I did find omunye umuntu okhona who is established as well through Prince Usikhosini nguye wangeka
Okay,
up
yeah,
yabo
yes.
because that's my number 1 chief as well.
Yeah, I
So
listen.
one link up what brother
Ziyaphusha.
deserve umuntu
Aro Prince lapha elokuzene emaboneni nilanga wakwadlala enye isiyethi Prince ozidlalela wena Prince. Vele into le ngiyabuya so lapha Prince Prince is playing this set for himself.
for himself.
Yeah, uthi DJ kadlala why mix up too much ingoma ezingahlanganiyo.
Yeah.
But ngathi you know what?
That's one of my
If the crowd is vibing it's okay.
so abalali
Yeah.
hansa siqedile le album leli so i-album leli before ngingakayi ku abalali
Yeah.
liphume ngakakhulumi lo Keithan ngangilale ngaphelanga le album kwakuyi EP.
Yeah.
I was working with a lady othiwa uNompumelelo Mahlangu ngangimlinkwe ngu-Elvis. She was sponsoring here and there ngangimtshelile what I was going through. She's in the UK. That's one lady who has a passion for Bulawayo arts. Ngifuna ukuhlanganisa la.
Please.
She has
And
a passion
such people,
for
in
arts.
such people in our corner, there's
Uyabo.
Tandi, Dube Hegos, Abonoma Ncube, Mtulisi Patrick,
Yes.
Pius Nduna. If you go to Abo Lawrence S. Kuba Sakane,
Yeah.
Usis ubantu silano se-island who worked with us kubo aphela bosobancane uqaliseni kuthiwa ngumuzi wasekhezi. I can mention a lot of people who are really passionate.
Zakulinka Lonombu, she is just, I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, and we need such
Umuntu wayenza that project as well
Yaba
possible.
yi-success.
So wafika la uthi wawelwa inkinga yayikhona asesitayile lapha nisakwanisa ukuqhubeka. Yikho then engathi senhlezi khona sengathi ngiyakhalala kwathutsha unkalakade wathi wenzani these days ngasemtshela sesithi mina vele bengicabanga ukuthi waqala kanje lena kucabangayo ngathi into oyicabangayo into ade sengiqalise
sengiyenzile isendleleni.
sasesifaka owakhe umbono as well
Yeah.
sa build up sakwanisa ukuthi siqedele le project leya yaphuma.
How is it doing according to you, especially as a person who is exposed to the forefront and the behind the scenes? I think you have an understanding
Yeah.
of both sides. How is it doing, the album?
I mean, I believe with the album Lelana wasn't accepted the way as well as large
Yeah,
marketing
true.
side. Saleka
But
because the
you
music,
tried. You tried. Bruh.
ngomalalela the quality there.
Let me tell you, you tried because
Just too much.
whoever your admins are, especially online over Facebook, you know, I believe that's how art should be pushed, especially with my online media platforms. If you go to Joyful Community, you would see a link or a clip of the song posted almost daily.
By then ngangisipushela. Ama admins abe involved this year about February. Ngangisipushela.
Yeah, no. For me, Mina, if I see someone doing that,
Yeah.
you earn my respect because, bruh, people to
I
accept you,
It's not easy.
it's not easy, bruh.
It's not easy.
There has to be something you have given them other than music. There has to, you have to lick some ass here and there.
Yeah.
You need to be in bed with some enemies here and there and whatnot. And I think if nxa abantu sebehlele ku accept her or to receive you the way you had been pushing, mina I would say ngoba vele bebengakwazi. And you should take that as this was my first album. Forget about the work you have done for other people.
Yeah.
As DJ Jebs, this is you. This is the beginning. You probably are going to be accepted on the third or fourth album.
Yeah. Kunjalo vele. Kunjalo.
Injani scene, the music scene, the art scene, nkhaya ngale komrikiti.
Hey, Nkaya mdala. Nkaya it's something else.
What?
I don't want to lie to you. I-industry lana mina I'm a well-traveled person.
Yeah,
Ama-countries e-Africa engakaze ngiye kiwo
malutshwane.
malutshwane.
Yeah.
Konke ngihamba music. Yabo, and I don't announce. I just go and do my work. Imali ingene esikhwameni ngibuye ngihlele.
And there are things you have seen that are different from what
Very
we are
much.
doing.
Very much. Do you know abo Uganda ngama-countries are just like abo Zimbabwe.
Yeah, they're not as well
The
up
way
there.
they are doing
Yeah,
is totally different.
yeah.
Yabo. Ekhaya kithi for starters I believe ukuthi kulama industry ayi-2 ahlukeneyo namkhandla.
I wanted to come to that. I'm so
Which is a
happy
problem.
you brought that up.
I once gave somebody an example ngathi, are you aware ukuthi uMadumane or uPori is not Zulu? But why am I hits akamaningi ngawesiZulu? And
Hey.
uCleo is not Zulu.
Yeah,
I understand.
yeah.
A lot of guys you know.
Is Zulu
who are
easy
creating
to
Zulu
sing or
music.
is the money language?
Right, I'm coming there. A lot of guys who are creating music, elibezwa becula ngesiZulu. They are not Zulu. But they
Can
understood.
I hold you there? There are tracks I have listened to on YouTube. I think when you understand, Mina, I'm a melomaniac,
Yeah.
right? So sometimes I go to YouTube and say East African music. I don't care who the artist is because there's some inspiration that I want to get when I write for an artist, right? And people don't know this. You will not believe the amount of Zulu songs that are done in East Africa, North Africa, Kenya, Tanzania,
lot.
that people in South Africa don't know about.
It's a lot.
Zulu songs.
The Nguni language.
AI songs. There is also AI songs that are done.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful African soul. So, Zulu in South Africa, what is the money language in Zimbabwe when it comes to art?
That's Shona.
Shona.
Yes. Even Maufunubale identity is different from most of the artists globally.
Yeah.
Shona gives you that.
Do you think
It's in the way as a problem queen. See, we need the South African vibe. And Bulawayo is more like another province of what?
South Africa.
South Africa. So it's
Hence them booking South African artists and filling up venues, but our own
exactly.
not.
Anje wazi kungadubuka a nuclear weapon kule nto kuthiwa kuthiwa kuyini kanti blast radius. So whatever explodes in South Africa, we are within the blast radius as Bulawayo. So now if you're a Bulawayo artist, you need to create something egu standards of South Africa in terms of quality and everything. The marketing yakho. So that you can compete.
An example being Kelvin Mangena.
He was very good to Kelv.
Because Kelvin,
Very good.
Kelvin Mangena, sort of like inclined to the Shona side. He became big, and then when he did Ndebele songs, it's like Black Diamond.
Yes, so Kelvin
Sukuma
Mangena is
Bakubone.
very good, yes. He's under the same management of the same guy bengikhuluma ngaye.
No, he's doing well. Umkhaya wami. Umkhaya wami.
Kelvin. Mina wasengicabanga ukuthi uKelvin.
No, not
Kelvin
not
Mangena
King
is
Kel.
doing well. I listened to his song. Wasukuma abakubone.
Yeah, it's got a. I played it for my South African friends. I didn't know he was Zimbabwean
Yeah.
until I told them. Because it's got the Black Diamond feel.
But now this is where we say ukuthi right. Black Diamond le feel yayo. Big Zulu wenza the same music le Black Diamond. Uxola wenza the same music le Black Diamond. But kule feel ka Big Zulu, kule feel ka babani? Kaxola.
Yeah.
So uKelvin shouldn't have ifeel yomunye umuntu. He should have his own feel, but on that type of music.
Riding on that.
Yes, because once you have kunje ngibe le feel kade mthuthuzeli. I'm now under his shadow. There is no way into bengutshela kanti mina
So you can't grow.
Mina could have been one of the biggest producers.
You still can.
But I was doing into ezasenziwa ngobani. I could do exactly the type of beat elenziwa ngokapsa. The quality. But I didn't think of doing my own at that moment.
Are you considering now doing your
No, I've already started.
Okay.
I reset the moment I went to Zim. Yabo.
I can tell.
Yes, I reset.
I
Because
can
ngabona
tell.
ukuthi I'm under is what? But abantu vele bazabuya. Abantu asoze babuye bathi sifuna into unique. People are funny. Babuya bathi sifuna into efana naleyo bakuthumela i-reference. Bafuna exactly that into ehambisana layo naleyo.
But now when you need to be brave enough to break that barrier and
I did Ukoko.
yeah.
That song was a hit eMzansi. It played everywhere. You'd get videos from Durban, from Cape Town, from wherever. People were playing the song Lo Oli, Lo DJ Shampli.
Yeah.
It was unique at that time. It was unheard of.
Yeah.
Mina piano baliplaya kathesi ungalalela ngubonise even we were talking about it lo Linden. Ngubonise ama piano engayenza 2022. It's exactly the sound that is playing now. I was always ahead of time.
So are you back in SA?
I'm a nomad. So
Okay.
mina ansomuntu othi ungathi uhlala endaweni le until maybe I get married and have kids.
Yeah.
Sengahlala in one place.
Yeah.
Like I was saying before, next week is ngiyawenza ekhaya,
Yeah.
but only for a week. Then from there Kenya. Ukhona umjito wami khona lo DJ enyamenzela something. Then back to SA. SA good because for connecting flights.
Yeah.
That's why I prefer being here. Because ungathi mfunakala endaweni enje I can easily
Ulula.
yes move.
So what's the plan? The
Plan.
future. What does the future hold for us here?
Mina honestly, ministry sengangilaso wasukuthi kuvuswe i-industry yethu yakobulawayo. Because i-talent lekobulawayo is too much. It can challenge talent
Yeah.
but we don't have the funds to.
The
People don't
resources.
understand ukuthi imusic ayipheleli ekutheni wenze ingoma.
Yeah.
You can do your song ubuye ku Jabs akwenzela ibeat akumixela ku master exactly standard sala.
Yeah.
Wena usekhaya. Abuya ku directela ivideo. Akulinke maybe lo dubeni ishasa ube le video exactly. Because I worked also with the guy uthiwa uNgalabe Stakes. He's
Yeah.
in the Ireland now.
Okay.
La you would do the same for him. But in music, in marketing, it's money.
Yeah.
We don't have that money go Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Mina ngifuna ukusola ama-artists. Ama-artists yesala ama-attitudes ababheda yana. I work with a lot of people who have different attitudes. Go Bulawayo, they are the worst. My experience.
Serious?
But I can handle them.
Yeah, because you
Kodwa ngikhala
understand.
ngakho ukuthi abalani. Abalama resources.
Don't you think that attitude probably wasn't there? Then maybe it was developed by that fact ukuthi kebongela ama resources. Or maybe
No. Ebulawayo artists, a lot of artists consider some. Let me not say all. Kulabanye right. They consider themselves as celebs. They don't understand who they are in a pond, not an ocean. Yabo.
Yeah.
So bona bazibona be big already ungahambe emuntwini kuye with all this that I have. Ilokhu zeni pedigree in the music lokhu zeni industry. Ngithi ngicela i-collab kesomele mina ngincane. Qeda lapho ngizamgadisa and ngizabhadalela ivideo kodwa kumele ngikuqe phansi.
Kwenziwa yini?
Mina ngicela kahle uthi hayi buya sihlanganyele ndawonye sisebenze.
Why do you think they behave like that?
I don't know. I think indawo lana incane like I said uthi Zimbabwe is two.
Two industries.
Ungayivini ku news kulama officially kulama two main languages isindebele
Leshona.
but to be honest amandebele malutshwana.
Yeah.
Numbers matter in the business. Ukuya kulinto labe ngiyikhulume ukuthi opora basomaZulu but ba realize ukuthengisayo yini uzwa umuntu wonke common isiZulu.
The population futhi.
But ngale kulama artists kobulayo uthi mina ngenhlabele isishona. Ngeke.
But they feel like they're selling out if they sing in Shona.
You are selling out to who? At the end of the day,
Melalo-
ngozabu lokhu ubhoda kwambana ugqoki o-star umbi whatever edabukileyo yani ungela gig ungelani. But abantu ababe sidla ngabantu bangapi ukhale futhi ngabo abeharare. Okay, say isishona usazi. It's not everyone who knows it. And it's not the end of the world awazi isishona. Sandra Ndebele they made it behlabela sindebele. But at least you have something that appeals to the audience. Enkulu.
So now
You just have to take music as a business.
kobulawayo kungathiwa ngabona at some point Oscar Mboya buya was a frenzy.
Yes.
Even washed down South African artists if they go to Zim,
They are big.
they're fully booked.
You're going to enter in a blast radius. Ukuba big nga. Kuyakwenziwe big everywhere in
So
Africa.
what's the solution?
Solution ukuthi nje abantu bakithi baqalise ukwenza izinto eziyiquality because most of the guys there they are not producing quality.
Bayenza
I'm not gonna lie
quality
to you.
ba market umsebenzi wabo.
Bayenza quality anjo. Bangayenza quality when you approach an investor or a corporate. Mawusiya kibo uthi mfuna 2000 US ukuthi lifake uproject yami they want the value of their money. Abangeke bakunike imali mara that's not a charity organization. Bafuna ivalue yani
Yeah.
yemali yabo. So sithi uthi ngizale advertiser kanje. But right now umuntu okobulawa cannot guarantee ukuthi akho maybe kunje ngizalifaka ku channel cannot abantu abaningi bangona.
But also sometimes
Yabo.
kunama shout out to Mlu J. He recently did a live and he posted ukuthi amabulawayo artist afisa ukufakelwa izingoma zabo kubo channel lani babuye and people didn't come.
Umluje akwaziyo ukuthi umluje yakasithina is my guy
Yeah.
kakhulu. Umuntu wayeshoot ama videos for Mluje wayeshoot for me as well. So sinje solo Mluje.
So manje why ama artist or abayibonanga live lana or
Mana ngikutshe-
data iyadura.
Uyakhulunywa umluje andu ikhulume this year.
Eh.
Mina ngikhulume since last year Zimbabwe. Come silifakela ama videos ngaphi?
Kubo channel O.
The problem is this with them. Inengi labo abalawa ama video ayi standard sona leso.
So-
They don't know ukuthi video yabo kuze qualify lapha nakufunakalana.
But then Mlu J explained it wakhuluma ukuthi kumele kube so nxa ungakwazi
Exactly.
uya nguchasisele ngufundise
Right.
still they didn't
Two,
come.
abalawa ama videos because nti abalani ma resources. Right now the only person who shoot ama videos a player go channel O kobulawayo nguRas. uKayitse
Kuyayitsi yeah.
and
Ana,
lo
he's
T-Cube wasishutela uAbalali uAbalali 2 days ichannel yayisi approve 2 days
yazi ukuthi
yabo
then people need to be workshopped then.
workshops maningi kakhulu kobulawa but iproblem kuyini uyakwazi ngayabona iworkshop yemanagement uchuza abantu abangakazi next ngumanager ama
You
artists
see, that's the problem. Bra.
what are you going to tell us uyabo ngaya kweyinye kukhulunywa about how AI affects music production and in ahambe umana besiyala.
Now there is
But
monetization.
you are there. They know you are there. You know these things.
Yeah.
You are not even going to charge them. Ayimbiza nini mbuye ngifundisa abantu into eyiyo. Sibafake kube le practical.
I did a live, right? Because
Abafuni.
it's not only music artists, right? I did a live speaking to content creators, and I asked, I said, I can even house you. Mina ngihlalela
Yes.
umkhukhu wami. Ekabe ungela lutho, ingubo extra zikhona. Uyalala phansi ubuye sizovula ama-account awe Facebook that can monetize in SA uqeda ubuyele uyokwenza imali. I've been
Yes.
in talks with uKhalanga noShona umnikazi wempuphu. I even created a group. I told them, I said, mina ngizozela imblock yenza lihlupha. I went home recently, we did some collaborations on content creation and they're willing, they are on a track of
Do you know what my brother told me? Ngifika uBulawayo ngibatshela ngichazela abantu izinto wathi bra mina ngumuntu anojwayelekile nopopular koBulawayo respected. Wathi ngifuna ukutshela nje eBuddha siyami abantu laba stop abaningi bangikona bayakhuluma bathi wena
azithathe.
yeah. But now I made an example
Yeah.
ngo Abalali. Abalali we were in a shop eAdon Sly lo mngani wami Simon. Yes, I was telling him, I was like, I feel like doing a song engathi le gospel engathi land but ipiano labo makhathi. Incomes into 2K. Buddhas antendlule ngubona yazi kulokho beat esengikuqalile kunje. I listen to it. The beat is crap but kule part eyi1. About 60 seconds. Dangerous.
Yeah.
I'm like Ntwana ibeat lakho nanti. Delete konke lokho kunye. Do this. Untuthuke is that somebody othi ngamtshela intwana uyayitranslate exactly as it is even emtshele efonini. Thebuya next day and ibeat lela likaBalali I'm not going to lie to you I didn't do anything. Ngafika nga-add 3 elements ngalimixa ngalimaster. Lenza untuthuke.
Wow.
Uthe sebuyela lokho ampana ngasensithi so iconcept isithini. Sasile ndaba esathi siyikhuluma lobani lo mngani wami ekseni uthi abantu bayaloya wathi kwakule issue ayikhona. Sasithi Abalali. We left nontuthuke khonapho sayirecorda. Sesicede ukuyicapture ngathi no ingoma le yashota. We need a sharper vocal. Sibize bani. Ukhona esababizayo bambuluza. Then omunye umjidi wabethi kulo boys lotho ngubutho lezwe.
Untini?
Yes.
It's good.
Safonela ubutho. He came there. Not kusasa. There. Ubutho sawunika imali yakhe yokugada buya. Wabuya. Safika sa record. Anjo. Ngasuka ngathatha ilaptop kuntwana yami kumnawa man. Ngamixa ngamaster. It was on a Tuesday when we did the recordings. Wednesday, Thursday. That weekend sashoot video. Sayishoot video yan. Ya editwa 1 week. Iqedwe ueditwa yaqedwa on a Sunday. Ngihamba ngayithatha kuLarynx lo T-Cube. It was on a Monday. Tuesday ngabuya ngayisubmita ku-channel O. Thursday I approve you. Yonke into yayithatha 2 weeks.
So it's a matter of hard work and not giving up and making sure.
And knowing what you're doing. So ngale ma abantu sithi guys ngiloko knowledge and lakho come let's shade.
They don't
Ngale
accept.
bala abantu babo who are in prominent positions or whatever that they prefer ukuthi akube yibo abafundisa abantu into enje. Kuyaba lo muntu ozabe uyafundisa abantu iproduction umuntu nje kame khona ehlezi. Lami ibe khona usemina ngilaleli. This person has never produced for any even prominent artist. Ukhuluma management. I've worked with abo Scotch aba manage ama artists big wonke wekalawa. I've been there. I know how an artist is managed. I've seen it in the proper industry. Kebiza umuntu odinga usiyothi wa manage abantu kahle kahle.
Maybe ngoba ngomsangano.
I don't know. Hayi even abomsangano ambona ukuthi bakwenza njani. Yabo. So industry lana needs work. Mina I'm not going to blame ama attitudes abantu kakhulu. I'm going to tell you one thing. We need resources for Bulawayo.
So it's a mix. It's attitudes,
Attitude adjustment, resources.
yeah.
We need those two
And
things.
also being able to identify the right people to do the right things.
Yes, because ama-artists amaningi akhona kubulawayo abayibo abangathi achuzwa ibona laba mbe ngama-gatekeepers mbe yini. There are people who can't even represent us kubo SA or anyway.
Do you believe there is gatekeeping?
There is. Gatekeeping is everywhere, bro. Even eHarare khona, South Africa lapha ikhona. And the only way through gatekeeping is quality. Then mawusule quality ubelani emarket.
Yeah, zikhona ingoma phela.
Because i-brown envelope
Yeah.
yasebenza. Ungaze uyale ebantwini lapha.
Bayola.
Yaspan.
Ah, true. No, leyo le ikhona le.
Khona i-real.
Kozini kuyashefeliswa.
Everywhere.
Lapho vele kuzingoma yakhe idlala. Akulanda ukuthi good njani. Mele ungathi
Otherwise yala lelo nguwe lo gogo wakho labangani bakho.
labo market bangini.
Yes. Ingoma first things first e-studio asikwenze kube into yokuthi thina we have done our best. Then from there kube le mali marketing. I was telling somebody uyabona uTendai Joe.
Yeah.
Tendai Joe manage Andrea the vocalist.
Andre,
He's
yeah.
one of my bros as well. He's the first person Bella to tell me ukuthi your stuff has been considered for Grammys. Ngakwazi mina. Yatshelwa nguye.
He's genuine.
Yes.
Yeah, that's one.
Ngamfonela bra, did you see? Mina no. Khona apho esekhulumela uplot esekupostile mina didn't even have a clue. Yime ngihamba ngatshela u80 leyo wayenjani engakwazi. So uTendai Joe wathi bra, you know in South Africa la if you want your song to play civil you need a minimum of 30,000 rands for radio only. Yabo. It's the same everywhere.
Yeah.
Cause kobulawayo kwampana kobulawayo kwanisa uncenga uradio DJ guys ngile project entsha ngifuna uzokhuluma ngayo ku radio bakuvalela phandle
Or bakubize kayi kuphelele kona apho.
phelele khona
After that
mina mbablame basemsebenzini labo bafuna ukudlala idlala bebotshele khona bra I-reality ukuthi abantu abafuna ukuyikhuluma. I'm not saying ukuthi ama DJs akobulawayo afuna ibhayola but everywhere in the world it's like that. Kareza nibe kukhitha indaba le khitho Elon Musk ka Jay-Z ukuthi wabhadala much ukuthi sisters awini.
Yes.
You understand? Ma umuntu le mali engaka
Esiyabhadala.
ibhadala. What more wena Jabu?
Iyasibhadaleni lapho asilikhuthazi ukuthi libhadale kodwa antsho liqiniso.
Bhadala nini liqiniso?
How? Abantu abahle uhlelo aluvala njengoba sasihlala sitsho. Namhlanje sicelebrate episode number 100. So ukwenza isabizwe inodalo ukuthi laye ukhona ku podcasting space ke sambona lapha ku site senze podcast. How was that?
That was the best thing I've done.
Yeah.
Yawaswakwa wayenza into yokuthi awuyiholeli.
Yes, but
awuyibhadalwa.
You so wealthy.
Yachaza.
I know.
That thing.
I know.
Uzenzele we've always been close.
Yeah.
They called me wangantoli wantinga ku Twitter. Ngathi I don't even know what made me log into Twitter.
Yeah.
Ngabone kade an hour ago a post message.
Yeah.
I mean I don't log into Twitter vele.
I don't even have it here.
Ngamfonela wathi bra.
Laptop uphela.
Sake saxoxa lapha nani. So what do you think you can do for the youth abaku music kobulawayo? Nathi let's do a podcast. Siba invite but as creatives because ngathi music kuphela. Ama-musicians asengaba ngu-100 angaphela ke.
Yes.
I was like, okay, for a space of a certain time, like let's say maybe a year or so, I will give you that when uzabuya labantu lapha liyenze ngathi okay mina I'm going to transport those people. I'm going to feed those people. Lakathi sawula umuntu ongathi waya ku podcast wanga offer imali transport abayalayo basiyalele.
Yeah.
You know.
Ukuthi umuntu ethi hayi ngiyari sharp.
Like bakhona babe sharp. But we worked.
How was that experience? I've
it was
seen
just
some
amazing because it was something that I never thought of.
Yeah.
Because wambuza wanjuma yakwazi ngikhuluma la iphone wathi singenzani. Ngathi akwakatheza senza i-podcast siba expose uyabona. So easier stop why ukuthi mina I to travel in lama projects that ngiwayenza.
How did it do though in terms of numbers?
No, it was doing well. Ungakhangela aside kwambana ama programs that ebelawo. It was one of the programs that iphula ama numbers.
Yeah.
So it hasn't been stopped. It's going to continue once I'm back where.
Yeah.
At home, yeah.
Beautiful.
It was beautiful. And it was nice ukuzwa ama stories abanye abantu, you know.
Yeah. You get to really
lot of
walk
stories,
into their
yes.
lives, yeah.
But ilakho futhi kwakule syndrome mina leyo uthi uyahamba even emagroupini. Guys, ngidinga abantu boku-interview.
Yeah. Bengabuyo
Do you
bengavuyo.
know i-reach site? Dangerous. That's
Yeah.
the biggest
Yeah.
kobulawayo.
True.
and inama numbers abo angapha amaningi aseHarare.
Shout out to
So
site.
if interviewer a site, a musician, Harare people are gonna know about you.
Overseas too.
But I tuncenga abantu. Yikubona ngaqala phela bomnikazi wempuphu abantu aba serious ngokusipana.
Lapana kuyasetshenzwa.
Yes.
Umnikazi wempuphu khala ngalenkosi. Ngabantu labana uthi mina I've collaborated with them. Anzange ngiyenze okuthiwa ngiyancenga ukuthini. We actually created a group, guys, ekuthiwa Meta Monetization Bulawayo chapter, because I do workshops and coach people on monetization on different platforms online, and a lot of people are making money. I have clients that in a month they clock in about 10 to 12K
Yeah.
bezenzela monetization. You've seen some of them do post online, and recently someone posted ukuthi ngamncedisa, and then people go to the comment section, hello muntu bathi hey maybe you're dreaming ulamanga ngeke akuncedise lo.
Bona abantu bekuthethisa.
Lokho
Ngafika ngathi ya.
mfethu ngiyabona ukuthi ngifresh njani. Zinhlamba yekuthukwa miscommunication. Bruh, let me tell you one thing. If you have dealt with your fears, it means you have stepped over to the other side, right? Now, people don't hate. We're speaking offline here lana nomdabu.
Yes.
Abantu abakuzoni.
They misunderstand.
They just don't know and understand what you are doing. They don't understand what you are doing. They don't understand the fact ukuthi wena kanti wayo usuyifacile leyo fear wena bengakayiface. So then what they do, they react to that misunderstanding. Mina, that's why I don't clap back. That's why I don't fight back, because I know these people don't hate me.
Awufana lami.
They just don't understand me. And I mean, ngutshela nje nxa ufuna ukuthi ube happy ube mnanda nje. Don't try and understand me, because lama ngiz understand. So when ungazama ukuthi ubulokhu uthi uyangi-attack wathi nethini, mina it's not that I have a thick skin or I'm immune to pain and hurt. No. It is because I've chosen to focus on what I need to do. Right now, busy applying for schools in different areas, getting donations for school uniforms and school shoes. Ngizosithatha ngaphi isikhathi sokulwa,
Hayi.
especially
Wesile ndlala engaka. Ngabona energy yokulwa.
asisebenzeni. Celebrating episode 100 podcast yabantu sihamba le Kempro Studios. DJ Jebs, siyabonga.
Yeah.
Thank you for gracing us with your presence.
It's a pleasure, my brother.
Sicela ukubona umsebenzi uqhubeka. Lingagive up madoda.
Mana
Even
ngitshele umsebenzi mningi kakhulu kade sombhizi ngalo wabo. Yabona lo uphala phansi lo. Irumba. Ngiyabuya khona ngathi.
uyeza kurumba.
Bra, mina there's nothing I can do.
Guys, andilezwa nje siyakokocha katezi
Until
ya.
ube lento eyi1 sibili othiwa le hayi sembona ngani ngaba comfortable kiyo, but I don't think I'll ever be, because I'm a creator.
Yeah.
Ngasuka kurumba sungasanthola kuphasada unthole ku thiwa kuyini le ballroom dance ezamakhiwa lezi. Yeah. But everything irumba akusazofika. This year futhi.
Usho ukuthi sazokokocha.
My way.
Usubhalile vele.
Ngisuka lapha khathesi sonsuka la I told you. The studio session. Ngerumba.
Wezi amakepesi athengiswa nga.
Ngerumba.
Ndodambe sports inyothi ngikepesi.
Nasi le uthi ngiyangathi manika le.
Esofuna ngathi uyayigoba so ngathi.
Hayi yasini. Ngizayidinga right mase ngiqedile. Ade lanisa focus on creating.
Yeah.
Vu create into yokuthi abantu bayi even bengakabi kwasilo umbana.
Yeah.
Bayifile. Then sengadinga ikepesi manje. Mina futhi sengabuya destroy it for a change.
Yeah. Badala bazali bahlali. Ngoba ngisho ukuthi uhlela Sulvali iyeza irumba. Sibonge mfowethu usivakatshela, sibonge Kempro Studios bahlala bekhona bathi bona selike lababona emicimbini eminingi bethu ku live stream, especially live streaming bazali. These days if you are doing an event and ufuna abantu especially abangaphesheya kwelizwe back home babone, you need to go the live streaming way. They are the best, bazishasha bazintshantshu kuwona lo mkhakha. Kuyancedisa kakhulu lokhiyana ukuthi lawo bele footprint khona phana kubo social media, ama content creators sondelani, maybe there's something that you want to do ikhona Kempro Studios, maybe you want to use the studio for a skit or what not, likhulumisane labo bali charge libhadala, akukho free, maybe ulomshado noma you've got a corporate event, you want it recorded for memories or for record keeping, bakhona. Sibonge kakhulu, sesibuyile podcast yabantu. Dango.